Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix cache app problem. Here you can see guys, please try again later on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open settings, and from here you have to tap on mobile data. If you are using mobile data, then you have to turn it on and then turn it off, again turn it on and then turn it off and then go back. And if you are using Wi-Fi, then you have to tap on Wi-Fi and then you have to turn off your Wi-Fi, and after 15 minutes turn it on again, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if the problem still is there, then what you need to do is just simply go back from here and then you have to turn the aeroplane mode on at least for the 60 second and then turn it off again and then check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if a bounce like this there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings and then you have to tap on general and then you have to tap on iPhone storage. And from here you have to wait for a while and you have to search for cache app, and from here you have to offload the app, and then you have to tap on offload. And after that what you need to do is just simply reinstall it. So you have to wait for a while from here, so you have to tap on reinstall and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form still exists there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings and then you have to scroll it down and then you have to tap on general and then you have to scroll it down and then you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to tap on reset and then you have to reset network setting. Here you have to put the phone passcode. So from here you have to put the phone passcode and then you have to reset all network setting, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form select this there, then what you need to do is just simply open settings again and then you have to tap on general and then you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then again tap on reset and then you have to tap on reset all settings. From here you have to reset all settings, and after that restart your phone and then you have to uninstall your cache app and then reinstall it. And after doing all these things, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.